close. It's really close, but not quite yet. Still got a little bit more time here. And that's good. I need some time. I need some time to plan. I need some time to get myself together. But it's really, really close. Just don't get too antsy, okay? Yeah, so I'm not quite ready to get going here. It's getting very, very close. The ground exposure that we've got at the moment, because of the way the temperatures have been, it's been definitely off of normal. However, precipitation has been up. Now, as you can see, there's a couple green weeds out there, and I have these little microclimates around the south side of the house. Pretty normal. Those weeds are gonna jump way, way earlier than anything else. The difference here, there's no snow on the south side of the house. The north side of the house has about 4 or 5 feet packed on the other side, and that actually doesn't usually melt until about May. But out here, I'm probably gonna have to start doing some applications sooner than later. I'm thinking really it's only about 2 weeks away. Even if my soil temps are a little cool, that gravel is heating things up, and I just think that there's gonna have to be some intervention if I don't wanna deal with all those weeds again this year. For those of you who don't know, just got done with the Lawncology Pro event, just wrapped that up last week. It's essentially a 2-day, kind of a 3-day event where it's nothing but pros. We go in, share ideas, do some presentations on some very unique things, talk about advertising, talk about business growth. It's a big fun event, and it's turned into a pretty cool, tight group. Now, this is an invite-only event. We send it out a month or two in advance, usually around Thanksgiving. We start sending things out. It always takes place in February. It'll be in Athens for another 2 years, and then we'll see if we're gonna move it around. That's Athens, Georgia. There'll be some more things from my pro side you'll see coming out in emails here coming up as well, but I'm just gonna encourage you to be part of this whole thing. Now, I know for you DIYers out there, I did promise some new materials, some new things that are going to be released this year. Hang tight. We're going to be getting into those as we get a little closer to season, to where it's going to apply more, so it doesn't just sort of get lost in the dust. In the meantime, we're in this phase of pre-emergent. The temperatures are warming up all over the place. And like I said, I'm going to have to do a few things out here, just in these little microclimates I've got to help knock some stuff back. I don't want to get too antsy. It is still February after all, but the temps keep climbing. The moisture we're getting is wonderful for getting some of those pre-emergent applications out. The lawn is still covered in snow. Nothing is gonna go on up there even again, but the shift has officially happened. Down about 3,000 feet below me in Salt Lake City, it's very, very much looking like spring. People are out playing golf. The grass is green on all the courses. It's looking like it's coming fast. So, I don't know if you guys are getting pumped up and excited. I know I am, because last year my season was so short. It was so short, and I'm excited to get out and really spend some time in the landscape, because I haven't been able to. The last couple of years have been a little bit too much involved on the inside of the house and doing all of these different things to remodel, and it's been very fun. I'm so blessed, and I'm ready to get out there and start working in the yard and making some changes. So hey, I'm gonna just link this video over here, something you guys can watch just to kind of get you up and in the mood, and I'll talk to y'all real soon. See ya.